Está bien, vamos a comenzar. Ya voy a dejar entrar a todos.
Can I get a co-host, Sharon, when you get a chance?
Yes.
Thank you.
That doesn't work.
Mr. Officer Wilson.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, or white t-shirts, no talking while the judge is talking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenido a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos a todos, por favor, que no estén ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni manejando. Le pedimos que no estén durmiendo ni recostados. Que estén vestidos adecuadamente, como que estuvieran aquí en persona en la corte. No se permite que estén fumando y no se permite que tengan la cabeza tapada con gorra o pañuelo, lo que sea, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Vuelvo y les doy la bienvenida a la sala del juez Perkins.
Also, while Zoom is in session, please place your phones on mute. The judge will appropriately contact you when he wants you to speak. If you are on the telephone call, you're going to push *6. If you are on the Zoom call, you should have something saying mute your device. What is this?
También quiero recordarle a todos que quiero que mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados hasta que llamemos a su nombre o su caso. Si están por teléfono, para volver a la sesión necesitan tocar el asterisco y el número 6. Gracias.
All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is do the best I can to get y'all as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get y'all in the order that you came in.
Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Esto es lo que yo voy a hacer. Voy a tratar de llamar a todos los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También en el orden que se presentaron.
Ms. Williams, are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning to you. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, SCAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner not before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's see this. This is the city of Detroit versus Ma Andrea Garcia Rangel, case number SP 179-5530, count 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garcia.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I know you told me oh, I see her again. Thank you. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus María Andrés García Rangel, números de caso SP179-55302 y SP179-55303 y SP179-55301. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor. Soy Eures Berry representando a la señora. Señora, usted por favor diga su nombre.
María Andrea García Rangel.
María Andrea García Rangel.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, vamos a guardar silencio y renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente.
Well, in or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, you decline a $0 bond. Ms. Rangel, put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle a ella una fianza de $0. Señora Rangel, García Rangel, la vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta donde usted pueda hablar con su abogado y él le va a conseguir usted una oferta actualizada de resolución. Recuérdese que si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Toquen la pantalla, por favor, donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala 2. Join o unirse. Toque en la pantalla.
Pass the matter. Mr. Mose, are you represented, good morning to you. Are you represented by Ryan Hill? Mr. Mose, Philip Mose?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes. Good morning.
Yeah, yes, I'm represented by Ryan Hill.
Very well. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Castillo Corona, case number SP 179-4369, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso, se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jonathan Castillo Corona, número de caso SP 179-43-692 y SP 179-43-691. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Here, Your Honor.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jonathan Castillo
Sherry.
Corona.
Okay, so he doesn't need interpreter, Your Honor?
No.
Oh, do you? No, okay, very well. Good morning to you, sir. Today's date time set for arraignment, Ms. Harris.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Hearing not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Corona, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay? And if this is going to be a contested matter, Ms. Harris, I'm going to send him to this alphabet judge.
Oh, because you just got to take it.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Mute yourself, please.
Por favor, pongan todos sus micrófonos en silencio.
Yeah, no, that's. I didn't get everything.
Not-
Your Honor, I cannot find Mrs. In the computer, she's Rosa Maria Gomez, but in the list, I don't see her.
Rosa Maria Gomez. Which one was that?
She's there with a young woman. There are two. But I not find it. I can find Rosa Maria de Castillo, but not Rosa Maria Gomez.
No, you can ask her. Let's find out.
Ok, señora, por favor, abra su micrófono. Señora Rosa María Gómez, abre el micrófono. Está cerrado. Señora, por favor, buenos días. ¿Cuál es su nombre completo?
Rosa María Gómez Grifaldo.
Oh, Rosa María Gómez Rifaldo. Okay, now I see her in the middle low first page. Grifaldo. Gómez Grifaldo.
You said middle. Oh, I see. All right, very well.
Grifaldo. Gracias. Gracias, señora. Puede volver a poner a su micrófono en silencio.
Okay.
And good morning to you and your, maybe that's your daughter.
Buenos días para usted, señora, y para la persona que tiene al lado, que creo que es tu hija.
Sí, le estoy ayudando. No sabía si tenían intérprete.
Yes, I'm helping her, and I didn't know if you have an interpreter.
We have the best interpreters in the business.
Tiene las mejores intérpretes aquí. Thank you.
Good morning to you guys too.
Buenos días a ustedes también. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Corona. Mr. Corona, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what does your client want to do?
All right, it's my understanding my client wishes to enter a plea under a 3-month delayed sentence to the marijuana count, Your Honor.
Another count being dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor. And I've provided his phone number to both the court, and I'm also sending it to Mr. Phillips.
All right, now let me ask this. This is kind of a regular. Did you speak with the city about this being a sort of a pretrial diversion offer, or maybe dismiss upon completion of community service?
It's a 3-month delayed sentence.
Yeah.
But I can definitely ask her that if it can be dismissed once he completes.
Yeah, because I mean, if he completes it in 30 days, we'll dismiss it if they're willing to accept that.
One moment.
Your Honor, while we wait, can I ask some of them if they need interpreter?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Señora Angelita Ruiz, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
They can actually raise their hand in the chat.
Exacto. Ustedes pueden levantar su mano si necesitan intérprete cuando yo les pregunto. ¿Usted necesita intérprete?
No.
Perdón. Ok, gracias. Señor Damián Benítez Calderón, ¿necesita intérprete?
No.
No, ok. El señor Jorge sí necesita. El señor Sebastián Olivera, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí.
Gracias. El señor Joel Pinto, ¿necesita intérprete?
Hey.
Señor Daniel Lozoyo, ¿necesita intérprete? No, ok. Estefanía Guzmán Gutiérrez, ¿necesita intérprete?
No.
Ok. María Méndez Pérez, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí.
Gracias. Ok, Your Honor, we're good. Estefanía Guzmán no necesita.
I'm waiting for
Ponga
a
su
response,
micrófono.
Your Honor, but I can start on someone else if the court would like.
Oh, let's pass Mr. Corona. Give me a minute, Mr. Corona. We'll find out what the city would like to do with that. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Maria Alejandra Mendez Perez, case number SP 179-59411. Appearance for the record, please.
Por favor, vamos a llamar el caso de la señora María Alejandra Méndez Pérez, el caso de la ciudad de Detroit, número de caso SP 179-59411.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Mendez Perez, please state your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, representando a la señora Méndez Pérez. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, María Alejandra Méndez Pérez.
Yes, good morning, María Alejandra Méndez Pérez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
You're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Mendez Perez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Mind if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Entonces, voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Señora, vaya a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado que le va a dar una oferta actualizada de resolución por parte de la fiscalía y sepa que si no le gusta esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada. Acepte la invitación.
Pass the matter. Mr. Al-Jazi, are you there?
Morning, Your Honor. How are you?
How are you?
Awesome. I was hoping to speak with the prosecutor on this case.
Okay, so just wait in breakout room 4. They'll be here, they're
Okay.
in short order, I will.
Thank you, Your Honor. And any chance the clerk can run an SOS and give that to the prosecutor? I already know they're going to ask for it.
Does your client need an interpreter?
No interpreters required.
Very well. That's just not this Nancy to do that. I'm sending it to someone.
His client, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll send some.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Roger Green, you can find this file from yesterday. This map is gonna put that on the show. Mr. Alfredo Ortega, do you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
Can you show the court or you want to send it to the court?
Sure, right here.
Give me 1 second. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me grab your file.
Okay.
Oh, City of Detroit versus Alfredo Ortega, case number SP 179-58461. Here, let me state your name for the record, please.
Alfredo Martinez Ortega.
Day of date and time set for an arraignment. Is there an attorney that is in here? Sheriff, for purposes of arraignment on Mr. Ortega. And your appearance, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Ortega, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ortega, let's see what you have. If you don't mind it being showed, I can put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris if you'd rather keep your.
That's fine.
All right, let's see what you have here. I keep losing. Oh, there we go. Slide it over a bit, please, and back it up a little bit.
5-3 of 26 is what it looks like.
Very well. I'll dismiss the case to provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Ortega, and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Ya lo decía.
Ya. No me confío.
And we're ready on Mr. Castillo Corona as well as Ms. Mendez Perez.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Corona. Mr. Corona, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea under the delayed sentence. The city attorney did indicate there was no objection to a dismissal upon completion of community service hours. And I would also state that this plea is against my advisement.
You say you want to take the deal, right, Mr. Castillo Corona?
Yes, sir. I just want to get done with this as soon as possible.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
I think so.
Well, you gotta know so. I want you to know so. Go back in the breakout room and speak with her about your rights. Go back in there and wait on Ms. Harris to come see you, all right?
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Mendez Perez. Ms. Mendez Perez, you want to go to your alphabet judge, is that correct?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el señora Méndez Pérez. Entiendo, señora Méndez Pérez, que usted quiere ir al juez que le toca según la primera letra de su apellido, ¿correcto?
Sí, señora.
Sí, señora. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna send. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of December 19, 2025 at 8:35 in front of the Honorable Judge Wagner.
I don't know what this B means.
Está bien, señor. Señora, le voy a dar una fecha para su consulta previa al juicio en frente del juez Wagner, el día 19 de diciembre a las 8:35 de la mañana.
Okay.
Okay.
And his Zoom ID is gonna be 360-331-0000.
Y ese día se tiene que conectar en el tribunal del juez Wagner con este número de Zoom. 360
360
331
331
0000.
0000. Okay.
Sí, señor. Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señora. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga muy buen día y la mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede
Gracias,
retirar.
gracias. Muy amable.
Thank you. Very kind of you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Garcia Rango. Ms. Garcia Rango, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora García Rangel. Señora García Rangel, le dimos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Mr. Berry.
Sorry. Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blockading for the failure to stop at a stop sign, the remaining matters to be dismissed. She stands ready to do community service. Her number is in the chat.
Si su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta que le ha propuesto la fiscalía, es decir, se va a declarar responsable a estar bloqueando el tránsito y sabiendo que los otros cargos quedan desestimados. Está lista para hacer servicio comunitario.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Garcia?
¿Y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señora García?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, it's okay.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
Y abogado, podemos depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para proveer un base para la declaración.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, de acuerdo a su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
¿Y puede
Yes,
estipular
Your
que hay causas razonables para desestimar los otros casos? Sí, su señoría.
Want to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service.
Muy bien, entonces encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable para al cargo modificado de que estaba bloqueando el tráfico. En vez de pagar costos y multas, le voy a pedir a ella que haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am?
Señora, ¿ya tiene usted el número del Centro de Justicia del Suroeste de Detroit?
No.
No.
You have an ink pen, ma'am?
¿Tiene usted bolígrafo, una pluma para apuntarlo?
Creo que sí.
I believe I do.
The number is 313-879-2155.
El número, señora, es 313-879-2155.
Gracias.
Ajá, thank you.
I give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon to set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until December 3rd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, así que llame ese número esta tarde, señora. Pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que hagan los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 3 de diciembre del 2025 para que termine sus horas de servicio comunitario. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseo a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Sí, ¿me repite por favor con qué persona? No le entendí, perdón.
Yes, and can you repeat the name of the person again? I didn't understand you.
Mr. Phillips.
El señor Phillips.
Ok, ¿cuántas horas van a hacer, perdón?
And excuse me, but how many hours is it going to be?
In lieu of fines and costs, it will be 6 hours of community service.
En vez de que usted tenga que pagar costos y multas, le pedimos que usted haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga usted muy buen día, señora, y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias igualmente, muchas gracias.
Thank you, same to you, and many, many thanks.
City of Detroit versus Angelita Espada Ruiz. Case number SP 1801171. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Ruiz.
So dame el paso de las, oh, does she need an interpreter, Your Honor?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much.
State your name, Ms. Ruiz.
Angelita Esquivel Reese.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Good morning, Ms. Reese. Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. You can find a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, not like you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter. Mr. Hajazi, are you ready?
Your Honor, we are ready, yes.
City of Detroit versus Estefani Gutierrez. That's case number SP 1790617, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Estefani Gutierrez. Mrs. Gutierrez, can you state your full name for the judge?
Yes, my name is Stephanie Guzman Gutierrez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Date time set for arraignment, Mr. Hajazi. Purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the formal reading and my client would like to stand mute and have the court enter a not guilty plea on her behalf.
So enter that not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. I do have a valid driver's license for your client.
Yes, Your Honor, I did have a chance to discuss this with the prosecutor. After showing compliance on both charges, she is willing to dismiss everything. And so we have no objections to that, Your Honor.
Stipulate the public clause.
So stipulated.
Case dismissed, Ms. Gutierrez. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate your
Honor.
time.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Corona. Mr. Corona, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Do you understand your rights now, sir?
Yes, sir.
And Your Honor, on
Yeah.
behalf of Mr. Castillo Corona, he does understand his rights and he wishes to now move forward with having the matter set for further proceedings by way of a trial. So we would need to send him to his alphabet judge.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Corona?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to set you matter for a pretrial in front of the Honorable Judge Kennedy on November the 18th, 2025 at 8:35. Judge Kennedy's Zoom ID is 360-435-0000.
Can you repeat it one more time, please?
360-435-0000. Do
Okay.
you want an attorney appointed to you, sir?
Yes, please.
I'm gonna mark the file, need appointed attorney. If that attorney does not get in contact with you by your next court date, just let Judge Kennedy know that you want that appointed attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. That's November 18th, 2025, 8:35 in front of the Honorable Judge Kennedy. And you have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Me too, Your Honor.
Jorge Lopez Reyes.
Jorge
Jorge López
López.
Reyes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Do you need an
Buenos días,
interpreter,
señor.
sir?
Señor, necesita intérprete.
No, I'm good.
No?
Thank you.
Okay.
No.
The City of Detroit versus Jorge Lopez Reyes, case number SP 1796051, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jorge Lopez Reyes.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Well, you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Reyes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have to absolutely bring to the trial. Let's see here. Join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ruiz. Mr. Ruiz, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to blocking traffic, and she stands ready to do community service. Her number will be in the chat.
Are we talking about Ms. Ruiz?
Angelita Ruiz.
Is there going to be an issue putting this in as a blocking traffic from a misdemeanor?
Yes.
You can't do it? Okay, very well. All right, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service now with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Is your number in 9047?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
I do, Your Honor. 313-879-2155.
Give Mr. Phillips a call. Why don't you try to put that in now? So just make sure.
Okay.
All right, give me a few minutes. That's going to conclude the matter now, but I want to wait just a second to make sure that that gets in the system correctly and we don't have any issue. And I'll let you go after that, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Sebastian Anderson Oliveira Delgado, are you there?
Sí, buenos días.
Yes, good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Sebastian and Anderson Oliveira Delgado, case number SP 1757529, counts 1, 2, and 3. Good morning to you, sir. Appearance for the record, please.
Homewood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oliveira Delgado.
Your Honor, I'm having trouble locating him.
Second page, toward the bottom of the top of the bottom half, if that helps.
Delgado.
Olivera,
Olivera.
Olivera.
Oh,
Olivera.
Olivera Delgado. I got it. Okay. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Sebastián Olivera Delgado. Número de caso SP1757529, cargos 1 y 2 y SP175759293. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta. Abogado Berry representando al acusado y usted, señor, díganos su nombre. Y usted, señor, díganos su nombre.
Sebastián Anderson Olivera Delgado.
Sebastián Anderson Olivera Delgado.
Purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll get the client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
Mr. Delgado, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Señor Olivero Delgado, lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución actualizada para usted. Y si usted no le gusta la oferta, tenga en mente que siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio. Pase ahora a la sala de consulta donde dice join o unirse. Toque ahí en la pantalla.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
I can pass the matter. Ms. Ruiz, you're free to leave. Just give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, all right? It went in successfully.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Thank you.
My name is Javelle Ghostin. I'm trying to see that I have court today or tomorrow.
G-O-L. How do you spell your last name?
Goston. First name Javelle.
You have court tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. You can get here earlier. You'll be in, the ones that come in earlier, they get out earlier, pretty much, but you have to wait. And I'll give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If they don't show up, we'll get you out of here. If they do show up, then we will get you in the breakout room. Have a good day, Mr. Ghost. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, so it's via Zoom as well, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thank you so much.
Mr. Phillips, are you picking up those numbers in the chat?
Yes, I am.
I didn't hear you.
Yes, I am.
We're gonna start putting the numbers in the chat so they don't go all over. The numbers are in the chat.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Benitez Calderon, Buenos Dias, do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
That Hector Pinto.
El señor Joel Héctor Pinto,
Presente.
present.
Good morning, sweetie.
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Ms. Harris, are we ready? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Reyes. Mr. Lopez Reyes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal for providing valid documentation.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
I say yes. I'm sorry. I didn't know if you heard me.
Very well. It's nothing further, so I'm going to dismiss the case. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
All right. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Damian Benita Calderon, case number SP1804508, counts 1 and counts 2, appears for the record, please. He doesn't need an interpreter.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Carlos Damian Benitez Calderon.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Well, there are not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Benitez Calderon, but put you in a breakout room. Ms. Harris, she's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Sebastian Anderson, Olivera Delgado. Giving you an opportunity to search, speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Vamos a volver ahora con el caso del señor Sebastián Andersen Olivera Delgado. Señor, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal for having provided valid documents.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar a mí seguro, comprobante de seguro de vehículo y registro vigente. Por lo tanto, pedimos que la Corte desestime estos casos.
Case dismissed, Mr. Delgado. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Sus casos queda desestimado, señor Delgado. Le deseo a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Veronica Renee Lewis, case number SB 937-335, counts 1 and counts 2, 21731857, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appear to the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Unmute yourself, Ms. Lewis.
Veronica Lewis.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Miller, are you here on Mopes?
Yes, I am, Judge. Thank you. Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Philip Joseph. Case numbers SP 1792540, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1792881.
Yeah, I got Officer for that.
Please.
Clay Miller, P86291, here on behalf of Mr. Motts.
Mr. Motts, good morning to you.
Hello? Your Honor?
State your name, Phil.
Philip Motts.
Wow. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we waive formal reading, stand mute. We're asking for a plea of not guilty to be entered. We're asking for a bench trial date.
And I'm going to send this in or not guilty plea on Mr. Motts' behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond. This is community court, so all the resolutions here will require community service. Bench trial dates will send to his alphabet judge.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm going to send you to Judge Honorable Judge Wagner on December 19th, 2025 at 8:35. Judge Wagner, if there's nothing further, Mr. Motts, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that you might return with documents.
Okay, you want a trial date, Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
All right, come back on November the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
The same Zoom number? I'm sorry.
Same Zoom number.
Okay, thank you.
All right, very well. Thank you all. This is the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Luis Estefano of Corcuzma Valverde, case number SP 1794845, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appear for the record, please.
Este es el
No.
caso de la ciudad de Detroit, señor Berry, contra el señor Luis Estefano Córcumas Valverde. Casos número SP 179-48-451, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, señor Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Abra su micrófono.
Luis Estefano Córcuma Valverde.
Luis Estefano Córcumas Valverde.
Morning to you, sir. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You decline a $0 bond, Mr. Berry. Mr. Valverde, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Valverde, le voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, donde su abogado le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, toque unirse para ir a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you. Señor, y cuando ya salga, bueno, me dice qué es lo que desean hacer. I'm coming. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Calderon. Mr. Calderon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes, sir.
Requesting the appointment of counsel, which means he probably needs to go to his alphabet judge for further proceedings.
I'm gonna send you to your alphabet judge. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Calderon?
Yes, sir.
That judge would be Judge Yancey, on December the 26th, 2025 at 8:30. Her Zoom ID is 360-335-0000. And I need a good phone number from you. I believe Miss Harris has put it in the chat. All right, I need you, that attorney, I need you to answer the calls that you don't recognize. One of those calls should hopefully be that appointed attorney. But if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then the court will, you'll ask Judge Yancey to appoint you one on that date, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, something further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, sir. You too.
You're welcome. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Roger Darnell Green. He was on yesterday's docket. Case number SP 1785775, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1785731. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Roderick Darnell Green.
All right. Day is date and time. We'll call it set for an arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Green, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
He's in there, Ms. Harris.
Thank you.
Math matter. Are we ready, Ms. Harris?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wants to enter a plea. He would be entering a plea to the amended count of failing to display a valid license with the insurance matter being dismissed. He does not want to do community service, Your Honor. He would want to pay his fines.
Since he'll be with me anyway, and it's not a, what the court would consider a pretrial diversion sentence, and there's going to be a sentence where he'll have a misdemeanor, and he will, it will abstract the Secretary of State, all allow him to pay the fine. You want to take the deal, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
She did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir, I don't.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And let me draw your attention back to September the 4th, 2025, at around 1:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Sherwood and Hilldale. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I had I went into the police department. Yes, sir, officer.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You could not do so, could you?
And no, I couldn't.
And why is that?
Previous suspensions from different cities.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240. When can you pay it?
This afternoon, you'll see me.
All right. I'll give you to get it in here by tomorrow. Pay by November the 6th, 2025. Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Green. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Well, thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
You as well. Thank you. City of Detroit versus Mel Levon Gray, case number SP 1151743, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1553161. SP 1553165, counts 2 and count 3. SP 160944641. SP 1680218, counts 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Mel Gray.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I am not guilty plea on your client's behalf. You can client a $0 bond. Mr. Graham will put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? He's in there, Ms. Harris. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Valverde. Mr. Valverde, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Está bien, señor Valverde. Volvemos al señor Valverde para que conste en el acta. Señor Valverde, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente se quiere adherir a la oferta de la fiscalía de declararse culpable del cargo enmendado de bloquear el tráfico, de interrumpir el tráfico por el cargo original de no haber cumplido con una señalización de pare. Y los otros dos cargos van a ser desestimados.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Valverde?
Señor Valverde, ¿quiere usted tomar este acuerdo que le han ofrecido?
Sí,
I
Yes.
stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsibility of client behalf, Counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
¿Y estipula usted, abogado, las bases de hecho para esta boleta? Sí, su señoría, estipulado.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Y después de la estipulación de la causa probable por el mismo, vamos a desestimar los otros dos cargos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
I don't find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. I will allow them to do 6 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar entonces a su cliente responsable del cargo enmendado de interrumpir el tráfico y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿ya usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitario donde tiene que hacer las horas comunitarias?
sí,
Yes.
And is your number in 9166?
Y su número de teléfono termina en 9166.
sí.
Yes.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until December 3rd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Your Honor, December the 3rd?
December the 3rd.
Ok, thank you. Eso, señor, le voy a dar hasta el día 3 de diciembre para completar sus horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde a ese número y hable con el señor Phillips para arreglar cómo, cuándo y dónde va usted a hacer esas horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok.
Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya sabe que tiene hasta el diciembre 3, se puede retirar.
¿A qué hora?
At what time of December the 3rd?
At 8:25.
El 3 de diciembre se tiene que volver a conectar igual que hoy a las 8:25. Y tiene que llamar al señor Phillips para hacer las horas esta misma tarde a partir de la 1.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Have a very good rest of your day.
Ok, señor, que tenga un excelente día.
Igualmente, gracias.
Thank you, same to you.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Jorge Vasquez, case number SP 1794181. 1, SP 1794182, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jorge Mauricio Vázquez. Números de caso SP1794182, SP1794182 y SP179418111. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Vasquez.
Soy Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted, señor Vázquez, díganos su nombre completo.
Jorge Mauricio Vázquez.
Jorge Mauricio Vázquez.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de lectura de cargos, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea to your client, on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Vasquez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0. Señor Vázquez, lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado y él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución que se le propone a usted. Sépase y entienda que si usted no está de acuerdo con esta oferta de resolución, siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Pase ahora a su sala privada de consulta.
Join the room, let us know if she's in there.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mel Levon Gray, case number, Mr. Gray, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to comments. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I do have a question for the court, but I would ask, can I just send my question via chat so I don't have to ask you aloud? On behalf of
Community
Mr.
service.
Gray?
Tell him if he
No,
doesn't.
no, it's
Go
not
ahead.
that, Your Honor.
Send your question in the chat, please.
Sent.
You must want to go to jail.
Your Honor,
I mean, I don't understand what kind of question that is.
and Your Honor, it was because of age and health concerns with regards to community service. I've never been asked that, so I don't know if that's a part of pretrial
Right.
diversion.
Yes, I have a bad hip and also, hernia and community service. I'd rather sit down and just do a day or two or whatever you suggest to clear it up than have to run out and do community service and never know what the hell you're doing on those roads and stuff.
If somebody asked me a request like that, it wouldn't be a 1 or 2 day jail sentence. I'd have to go 30 days or something. That's just ridiculous to me, but that's just me. Everybody's got their own way to handle
Your Honor,
things.
I did explain to Mr. Gray that there's a possibility, I believe that the Southwest Community Justice Center will work with him and with his schedule and with his medical conditions to make sure he's not doing something to aggravate any conditions. I may have been speaking out of turn, but I thought that that was the case.
That's generally what Mr. Phillips is always being able to accommodate, but maybe he just wants to go to jail.
How many days would I have to do in jail?
I don't know. I just happen, I told you, for a request like that, I probably couldn't do anything less than 30 days.
Okay, well, I take the community service, sir, because I have bills to pay. So I just thank you, sir. But I've done it before when I had to, maybe 10 years back. So when I had the opportunity, they did do that. Gave me opportunity to do jail time or community service. So
and you took jail time then too?
Pardon me?
And you took the jail time then too?
Yeah, 7 days in jail. I took the weekend. I told my boss I won't be work Friday. Took Friday. Took the weekend. Took a couple of days, PTO days, and that was it. Went back to work, and like I say.
Did you like it?
No, I don't like jail, sir. No, sir. Never been to jail before, and I 54 years. Never been to prison like that.
That's
so
the request.
no, it just
liked it in there. I want to go back, Judge.
No, sir. That is not my intention. I haven't done community service, but maybe once in my lifetime, and from just people, word of mouth, and seeing people on the road, they say, "Oh, they do community service." I'm like, I don't know if I hold up, and then having to go back in so many days and so many hours, and yeah, but I'll take the community service if it's gonna be 30 days. I can't. 30 days, I die. I mean, no, I just want 30 days.
You don't think you can hold up doing community service, but you know you can hold up in jail, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't, like I say, I did 7 days, and cleared it up, and then got my license back, and I felt good about, just being able to go, get in and out, 3 hots in the cot, as they say. That's why so many guys, irresponsible and don't, pay nothing because they, it's a simpler way out.
We're talking about irresponsibility now.
No, not just. It's just. I'm a homeowner, sir. I own my own car. Like you see, the model car, everything. I'm a homeowner. I work every day. I haven't been to jail, so I'm not being irresponsible. I'm just, like I say, I got some health issues.
All right. Well, what do I say? I'll cut it down to 20 days.
Your Honor, I think he's going to do the community service, and I've placed his best contact number in the chat.
Yes, no problem. The way I see it, yes, I do. As you explained it, it hasn't been heard of in your courtroom, so I'll take the community service and I'll tough it out, as they say.
Or how about 10 days?
10 days where?
Jail.
Yeah.
They got
I do it.
They have a new jail over there too.
Yeah, I do 10 days and clear it up. Absolutely.
Ms. Harris?
10 is fair.
Not necessarily my decision, but Your Honor, I've explained to him I think community service would be in his best interest. That is between Mr. Gray and the court when he decides.
I'm gonna take my lawyer's advice. I'm gonna take my lawyer's advice and take the community service, but that's not, because I know, you know what I mean?
You know what it is? You're thinking that community service was be in his best interest because, I can understand where that thought process is coming from. But again, it may be some reason why he wants to get into that jail.
No, that's not it. No, sir. No. This is
What's in that jail? Is that he's so motivated to get there. He said, I'll take 10 days. If you want 10 days, give you 10 days. They got it. But
no,
what do you want to do?
I'm going to community service.
All right. What's the offer?
2 counts of allowing, 2 counts of improper plates, dismiss the remaining matters.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gray?
Yes.
Is it raised?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 26, 2025 at around 11:41 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Linwood and Davison. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I didn't hear the last part.
On February 26, 2025 at 11:41 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Linwood and Davison, did you get stopped by the police on that day, sir?
Yes, I did. Yes.
Is this your 2007 BMW?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance and valid a driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I can't remember. I think I was off work at the time. Like I said, I had my hip. I had a flexion tendon in my hip for falling down my steps, so I was off work at the time.
All right, so you didn't have the insurance or registration?
No, sir.
Find your client guilty of the amended color of improper plate for not having the insurance and the amended color of allowing for not having the registration. Let me carry your attention back to February 20th, 2024. At around 1:45 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Rosa Parks Boulevard in Richmond. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Was this your 2002 Cadillac?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance and registration on that day? I mean, valid insurance and driver's license on that day?
No.
No, he didn't ask you for any of that? Or
No, it was not valid.
No, did they ask you to produce it?
Oh, I produced it?
No. Were you driving on that day, sir?
Yes, yes.
Did you have valid insurance or registration on that day? I mean, valid
If that's what
license and
if that what the
registration on that
record
day?
says. If that's what the record says.
What did you have?
I'm not sure. I can't remember.
Any objection to a no contest plea for lack of recollection?
No.
No objection for me, Your Honor.
All right, find your client. I'm going to treat it. No, I'll take it under a no contest plea. It's going to be treated as a guilty plea for sentencing purposes for lack of recollection. I'll find you enter no contest plea for the allowing for not having the driver's license and the improper plate for the misdemeanor insurance. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. I don't know how to do this. What do you want to do? Community service to clear it all up, sir? Even the money you owe the court?
Yes, yes.
I hate to ask, Your Honor, but once you tell him the amount of community service, if he could make the decision between the two, because I think he would know best what would be better for him. And now that I'm thinking about it, he might just be right.
I'm trying to tell you.
I
The
think he's
amount
right.
of community service that he. Let's see it. I mean, appreciate y'all.
No, it's not going to be a less see. Are you going to do the community service or are you going to do the jail time? You take it right now.
I'm gonna do the community service. I'm gonna do it. I don't care how much it is. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the community
We
service.
respect
I like to
leniency
judge.
in terms of any community service hours that the court may impose.
I'm going to do the community service, sir. I like to judge his thoughts about me going to jail. I don't want to go. He changed my mind. I rather impose the sentence. I'm with it. Yes, I'm in.
All right. Let's go with clear up everything. Let's go with 42 hours of community service.
Okay.
That's cutting you a break, sir. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, 313-879-2155. That's correct.
Mr. Phillips will call this afternoon, set the hours up. And I'm gonna give you till December the 3rd, 2025 to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good rest of your day.
And I just want to make note for the record that I did add an additional phone number for him, which is the best number to contact him.
Okay, I think Mr. Phillips has that number in the chat. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gray, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
And you should have to December, what is that time?
The 3rd at 8:25.
December 3rd, 2025, to do 50 to 42 hours.
42 hours.
All right. Yes.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Alejandro Lozano, case number SP 1762225, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Este es el caso del señor. Do you need interpreter?
No, I don't need an interpreter.
Okay.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Daniel Lozoyo.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Lozoyo. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Vasquez. Mr. Vasquez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor Berry, vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Vázquez. Señor Vázquez, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to plead to allowing for the driving while license never having been acquired, the remaining matters to be dismissed. He's ready to do community service. His number is in the chat.
Pues su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, él se va a declarar culpable al cargo de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Ese es el cargo que reemplaza el cargo original de no tener licencia de conducir. En cambio, los dos otros cargos quedan desestimados. Él está preparado a hacer servicio comunitario para pagar por esto y el número de teléfono de él ya se le ha mandado a usted por el chat.
You want to take the deal, sir?
El señor Vázquez, ¿quiere usted aceptar esta oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted, señor, que la penalidad máxima en este caso pudieran ser 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio si lo quisiera.
Oops. I don't. Oh, I think I'm.
Breakout room, please. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Vasquez?
Señor Vázquez, ¿comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Y el señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted preguntas acerca de sus derechos?
No.
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 You know, by
No.
this deal, you're gonna get those rights up.
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 15th, 2025, at around 5:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Devereux Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme recordarle usted la fecha del 15 de septiembre del 2025, aproximadamente a las 5:27 en la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Martin y Devereux. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el policía le pidió que le enseñara a él una licencia válida de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
No la tenía. No la tengo.
No, I didn't have it. I don't have one.
Very well. I find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, stipulates proper cause, will dismiss the other matters.
Así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia conducir. Y si usted, abogado, me puede estipular que hay causa para desestimar los otros cargos, los desestimo ahora.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
You have a number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Y señor, ¿usted ya tiene el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
Terminación 2155.
Is it the one that ends with the numbers 2155?
Yes.
Sí.
Sí.
Yes.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up, and I'm going to give you until December the 3rd to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matters out.
Muy bien, señor. Así que ese número llámelo esta tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que puedan hacer los arreglos para el servicio comunitario que usted va a prestar.
¿Cómo se llama el señor? Dice, perdón.
Excuse me, what is the gentleman's name?
Mr. Phillips.
El señor Phillips. Phillips.
Phillips.
Phillips.
Yeah.
Ajá.
Ya.
Y le vamos a dar a usted hasta el 3 de diciembre para que cumpla sus horas de servicio comunitario. Y si para el 3 de diciembre usted ya las ha hecho, los otros casos quedan cerrados.
No, listo. Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muchísima suerte que le deseamos a usted que tenga muy buen día.
Muchas gracias igualmente.
Okay, thank you, same to you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marcellus Damon G, case number SB09. You can hang up, sir.
Usted, señor, se puede desconectar ya. Señor Vázquez, se puede desconectar.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marcellus Damon G, case number SB109-30941, SB123-0370, counts 1 and counts 2, SB145-7184, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB384547, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP863824, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 863-826, counts 1 and counts 2, 17-3530-321. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. G.
Marcellus Damon G.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. G, I'm going to put you in the breakout room where Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Mind if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right. Let's pass the matter. He's not examining. He's not. So,
No, he don't.
oh, all right. So, just give me. Yeah, that's December. November 20. City of, let's go back on, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Lozayo. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take improper play.
Yes, Your Honor.
And dismissing the other matter, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to do the community service hours, sir?
Yes, I'll do the community hours.
You want to do the hours to clear up all of this stuff here?
What other stuff? I'm on a payment plan for my other tickets.
Oh, okay. You want to do the community service hours to clear that up, or you want to do?
Yes, for this case, I will.
Well, you want to continue with the payment plan on the other stuff?
Yes, that's separate. That would do. I'm doing payment plans on the other stuff.
I'm asking you, for the ones you're in the payment plan, do you want to do some community service hours for that as well?
That I would like to. Yes, I would probably like to do some hours.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Do
you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Who's in the room with you?
Oh, it's over here. I'm looking at my son.
Okay. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 25th, 2025 at around 1:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Horatio. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was that your 2007 Chevy?
Yes, it was.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I got laid off and I didn't have work to pay the insurance fee.
Okay, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper play. Stipulate the proper cause of dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So if you want to do, it's just 12 hours for this. If you want to clear up everything, $30 hours of community service will clear up everything.
30 hours, and that's for the 1,300 remaining that I have.
Yes.
Okay, that sounds like a real good deal. I think I'll do 30 hours of community service to clear all that up then.
Or you can go to jail for 7 days.
7 days? Oh, no, sir. I'd rather work it off.
All right. All right, 30 hours will clear everything. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, sir, I don't.
Number's 313-879-2155.
879-2155?
Yes. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon. I'll give you till December 3rd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, just to make sure the number I got, it's 313-879-2155.
Correct.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Have a great day.
You too. God bless you.
You as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Rosa Gomez Girafaldo. Case number SP 1802740, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Rosa Gómez Grifaldo, número de caso SP 180-27401 y SP 180-27402. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, representando a la acusada. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Rosa María Gómez Grifaldo.
Rosa María Gómez Grifaldo.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
Honor not guilty plea of your client's behalf, you decline a $0 bond wanted to Ms. Girafaldo. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, yo voy entonces a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Señora Giraldo, su abogada le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a una sala de consulta privada.
Ok.
Let us know what you want to do when you come, please.
Y una vez que salga de hablar con su abogada, nos deja saber qué es lo que quiere hacer, cómo quiere resolver el caso. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada número 3.
All right, she's in there. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Mr. G, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license suspended ending in 1841 and improper plates for the no registration and no insurance. That's 1842 and 1843. The rest of the matters, the remaining matters, to be dismissed. He stands ready to do community service. His number is in the chat.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I said, Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 30th, 2023 at around 12:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of West McNichols and Grand River. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Was this your 2005 Ford?
No.
Were you operating that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing not having a valid driver's license and the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid registration. You indicated to the court that that wasn't his car, so I'm not gonna even ask him about the insurance. Let me take your attention back to, we'll find him, we'll see if we can give a plea to allowing on this old driving license suspended. Let me take you back to August 24th, 2020 at around 10:44 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Dover and Minot. Do you recall being pulled over by the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle.
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Could not do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
I had no license.
Very well. Find your client guilty of allowing on that count with stipulation of probable cause. Mr. Berry, dismissing the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You want to do community service to clear everything up, sir? Money do you owe the court as well?
Yes.
It will be 36 hours of community service for the 12 hours apiece for the 3 misdemeanors. I'll dismiss upon completion. Then we have give me 48 hours of community service to clear everything up, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Oh, 1 second. Was that the number you gave me?
Mr. Barry gave you in the breakout room?
Yes.
313-879-2155?
Yes.
All right, yeah, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until December the 3rd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, Mr. G, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You said December 3rd?
December 3rd.
Okay, yes.
All right, great. Mr. Barry, you're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Hector Pinto Jemiah, case number SP 178-7297, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Berry, llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Héctor Joel Pinto Amaya. Número de caso SP178-7297, cargo 1. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Jemiah.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., el abogado representando al señor Yamaya. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre completo.
Héctor Joel Pinto Amaya.
Héctor Joel Pinto Amaya.
Correcto.
Correct.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for an arraignment, counsel, for purposes of arraignment?
Buenos días usted, señor. Sépase que este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos. Abogado,
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. He's in the breakout room. I'll give him a $0 bond. Join the room, give him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, he has an absolute right to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, pass the matter. Good morning, Counselor Taylor.
Good morning,
Who's your
Your
client?
Your Honor, my matter is Justin Gunnick. It was actually up for Monday, and I mixed up the dates on that one.
Justin Gunnick, being the indecent exposure.
That is correct, Your Honor.
What was it set for?
It was set for the 3rd. So for some reason, I had it on there.
What was it? What was it supposed to be?
Oh, it was just
set
a pre-trial, Your Honor. We had adjourned for discovery.
City of Detroit versus Justin Gunnick. Gunnink, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
This number SP 177-36181. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandria Taylor appearing on behalf of Justin Gunnick, 5271.
Good morning to you. For the purposes of your client's presence, Counselor.
Your Honor, Mr. Gunnick is in Ottawa County Jail on a matter that predated this one.
With client's presence.
Thank you, Your Honor. I had the opportunity to speak to Madam Prosecutor. We would like to set this matter for trial, and I did receive the discovery following the last court date.
Trial is going to be the 25th of November 2025 at 9 a.m.
November 25th at 9 a.m.
There's nothing further, Ms. Taylor. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Have a great day, Judge.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Gerfaldo, Mr. Gerfaldo, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is the dismissal for providing valid documentation.
I'm sorry, I was waiting for the interpreter, but yes, Your Honor.
Who's the interpreter, Ms. Hernandez or Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, which case is the call, Mrs.
We're back on the record with Ms. Gomez. Ms. Gomez giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal for providing valid documentation.
Está bien, vamos a llamar nuevamente para que conste en el acta el caso de la señora Gómez. Entiendo que este caso va a ser desestimado por que presentó la documentación válida, señora abogada.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Docket for today, sir. Case dismissed, Ms. Gomez. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Señora Gómez, su caso ha sido desestimado. Que tenga usted muy buen día. Ya se puede desconectar.
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día, señora.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Could we confirm that Mr. Pinto has a valid Michigan license?
Señor, le podemos pedir a la corte que por favor confirme que el señor Pinto tiene una licencia de conducir que está vigente.
Okay. Not his. Oh, that's. Yeah. What did you, who brings you in here, Mr. Gay? Let's check his license. I'll check it. What brings you in here, Mr. Gay? Mr. Gay, what brings you in?
It was a flea in the moving case.
Say that again?
Flea in the moving case.
Not for here, you just,
Stop
oh,
sign.
maybe it was it resulted in these misdemeanors and it was a plate and looting. But these are just civil infractions of no insurance, stop sign, and unsafe manner. You have a court date already for the 13th at 1:30. We can get, that's just an arraignment. We can arraign you now and see if we can get you an updated offer right now since you're here. If you want that.
I just put him in on Zoom, Judge. You don't know what that means.
All right, just go out the hallway and turn your phone and you get on Zoom and then the attorney will explain it to you.
Okay. So my attorney, he just contacted me yesterday.
Who, you have an attorney for this too?
Yeah, the attorney that contacted me yesterday, my lawyer told me that he's been holding me on my case and told me at court today at 11 o'clock and I was going to be there in person.
No, you have a court date probably with this.
Young lady,
You're in the wrong courtroom. You've got, so when you explain to your attorney, you're 11:15 in Lalina Taylor. Taylor is going to be courtroom. This is, yes.
Courtroom 438.
438. So down the hall, but you're supposed to be back here on November 13th for the civil infractions that probably resulted out of this. All right.
Nothing else. Just that day. It's the only day I'm supposed to be here.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be down the hall now.
I am.
Yeah, at 438. It's this way. 438. All right. But you have these 11:30 at 1:30 on November the 13th. You can let your lawyer know that. You can have that.
What are you saying? That we can probably disadjourn today too?
Well, I was going to say we can get you a pretrial date, but if you got a lawyer, you can come in and do it for you. All right, let's go back on the, good luck to you, Mr. Gary. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Pinto. Mr. Pinto, I'm going to dismiss the case. You have a valid license. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Ahora volvemos con el caso del señor Pinto. Señor Pinto, voy a desestimar a su caso debido a que usted tiene una licencia vigente, que está válida. Que tenga usted buen día y buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias. Igual, buen día.
Thank you very much and I wish you a good day as well.
Very well, thank you.
Muy bien, gracias.
The young lady that came in the courtroom, what is your name, ma'am?
I'm sorry about this, sir. My name is Jocelyn Glover.
All right, you got to take your bonnet off. I don't do bonnets now. Good morning to you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I had a chemical reaction, so my hair is all over and my eyebrows is burnt off, so I'm sorry.
We already saw your hair.
Oh.
You were on earlier. We already saw it. All right. Glover?
Yes.
Jasmine, J-A-S?
No, it's Jocelyn, Joslyn. People gonna be seeing me on court.
City of Detroit versus Jocelyn Glover, case number SP 136-94681. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glover.
I'm Jocelyn Mill Glover.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Jocelyn Glover.
We'll enter, good morning, we'll enter a not guilty plea. Your client's a cab, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna check your driver's license.
My driver's license is valid.
License is valid, Mr. Berry. I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor case. You know you owe the court money for these other matters that just really recently went into default. No insurance proof, driving defective brake lights, and disregarding the red signal. And you owe for some older tickets, 1 to 5, 11 to 15, and limited access 1 to 5. You know that, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Profit sharing. I'm going to knock it all out at one time.
Okay. If there's nothing further, ma'am, we're going to dismiss this case for providing valid documentation, and have a very good rest of your day, okay? You're free to leave, Ms. Glover.
No, I don't have anything further. For some reason, I can't hear you. I just see your mouth moving, but I don't have any, I can't hear nothing.
We're going to dismiss this case. If you have nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, I can hear you now, sir.
All right, case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, I want to say, sir, I always see you on TV. You are very handsome. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. All right.